How to validate the statement that Gujarat Fluorochemicals is an undervalued share? GFL, along with its associates into green hydrogen, solar power, wind energy and EV, is a part of Inox GFL group. GFL leads the group. Established in the 90s, it started with refrigerants, gradually diversified and has three major business segments led by fluoropolymers, which constitutes about 56% of revenue. The second segment, specialty chemicals, contributes about 27%. Balance comes from bulk chemicals. Fluoropolymers are high-performance carbon fluorine bonds, which find application in electronics based on their strength, chemical resistance, thermal stability, and electrical insulation. The second segment, fluorospecialty chemicals, deals with fluorine compounds, finding application with niche customers in pharmaceuticals, agrochemicals, and pesticides as intermediates. Refrigerants and bulk chemicals deal with products like caustic soda, chlorine, hydrogen gas, fluorspar, and the like. GFL has three manufacturing plants in India, one in Morocco. It is market leader in India in fluoropolymers. It has fluorine mines in Morocco where its manufacturing plant is located. Revenue and profitability. Revenue growth 3-year CAGR 30%. Last 1 year growth 43%. Profit after tax impressive growth 3-year CAGR 95%. And last 1 year profits have grown by 70%. As a result, PAT percentage zooms up, reaching 23.3% in the latest year. EBITDA has kept pace, growing year after year, reaching 36% at its peak. Strong momentum in both revenue and profitability. Cash flow, working capital build-up in FY23 due to global recessionary fears, increase in inventory and receivables, but praiseworthy is continuous investment in fixed assets, average during last 2 years annually around 700 crores, fully supported by operational surplus of around 700 crores year after year. Operational surplus is a big positive for the company. Company's net worth has been rising at a decent rate of 14% per annum on a 3-year basis. Debt is insignificant, almost 5% of equity. Based on rising profits year after year, Gujarat Fluorochem has been able to report a strong return on equity at its peak of 24% in FY23, rising net worth and rewarding returns. GFL has its revenue and profits growing year after year, strong flowback and continuous capex. Net worth has been rising, so also returns. Promoters holding is a very impressive 64%. There was a setback in performance in Q1 of FY24, while the 4 quarters of FY23 were quite successful in reporting an year-on-year growth of around 40%. The Q1 of FY24 was a disaster where revenue grew by -9%, and to worsen the situation, EBITDA fell down during Q1 FY24 by almost 7%, and the fall in both EBITDA percentage and revenue had its origin in reduction in volume and weak realization per unit. The core reason behind the poor performance of Q1 FY24 is recessionary fears in the global market, and as a result, in fluoropolymer, volumes took a hit with customers moving for destocking and not lifting goods. Similarly, for fluorochemicals, damage was done by China, which dumped its stock into the market, reducing the realization per unit. JFL's share price had an up move right from March 2021 up until September 2022. Thereafter followed a period of downward movement up until the current month. On a daily chart, a range-bound movement is observed, particularly from January 2023, which is a positive sign, and the price has reached below all averages 200, 100, 50 and 20, particularly from 1st of October 2023. An ascending channel, of course less pronounced, seen particularly from July 2022, is a positive indication. And from a Fibonacci retracement angle, 52-week high 4127, 52-week low 2535, 23.6% Fibonacci retracement 2911, and the current price of 2760. Below that, crucial level is 2911, and from the current price up to 52-week high, there is an upside potential of 50%. From price action angle, price for over last 1 year has been trending downwards month after month. It has had a support of quantity also falling along with the price all across. While investment interest is evident as delivery percentage has been moving up, but order size has consistently kept falling. All three parameters, price, quantity and order size, moving in one direction down is a suggestion that probability of reversal is more closer. From a market cap angle as related to profits, profit has almost doubled from the 22 level, but market cap as of now is stagnant at the level of 30,000 plus crores. As a result, price earning multiple has been brought down to the level of 25, which is far below the median, and the price earning multiple has got an edge over peers as it appears at a level lower than its competitors. GFL enjoyed a strong up move from March 21 onwards. September 22 changed the direction. Price went below 200 EMA for the first time in December 2022, and subsequently price earning multiple is quite attractive, and there is high probability of price reversal in the near future. GFL has extraordinary strength in the field of fluoropolymers as a leader in the country. Very rewarding return ratios and strong capex. Focus on semiconductors and electric vehicles is a plus. China dumping is a constant threat, and companies' exposure as contingent liabilities to group companies is a concern. Hope you found the presentation on Gujarat Fluorochemicals to your liking. I am Vitthal Prabhu with the weekly video on Stock Learning Simplified. You can access similar videos at our info card at Stock Learning Simplified. We look forward to your likes, shares and comments. If you are new to the channel, may please subscribe and press the bell icon for timely intimation on our forthcoming videos. For your valuable time and kind support, highly obliged. This video is for purposes of information, education and awareness only. This is not meant to be a solicitation or recommendation to buy, sell or hold securities. Wherever applicable, please seek the advice of a competent professional before taking action of any kind.